Hi mateys, Captain Jack Scrapper here. Today is Saturday, May 23rd. It's about 2:30, and so I just want to do a little walk around. This will be part one, I think. I wanted to see the apple blossoms. So you could say here's to a man who's out standing in his field. But on the other hand, this isn't my field. I don't know whose field it is. I'm trespassing. Alright, do a panoramic. We are at 15 Mile and Fruit Ridge. And as I said, this is going to be part one. Part two, I'm going to try to get a little closer to an actual blossoming tree. See if I can see some bees. What a beautiful day. It's about 73 degrees right now. Very little wind. I hope the camera's not picking up too much wind. There's Bessie. There's Justin.
Hello.
He wanted to come along and play with the cameras too. We brought the Nikon, but we can't get it to work. It just keeps wanting to, it says the lens cap is on. The lens cap is not on. Alright. We'll conclude this as part one of Sparta, Michigan. See you in a few minutes.